Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 48 that I have used in my Tulip Splash Smiles and Giggles blanket. For this I have used Hobby Store Special DK yarn with color name Jaffa and its color code is 1256. This stitch requires multiples of 4 plus 2 stitches or multiples of 4 chains. It's worked with treble, US treble, and then you can use a wrap. You can call it a wraparound stitch or a crossover stitch. So let us begin this. So the first one is going to be a standing treble. So pull it to the height of a treble, little higher than a DC. Twist once. Usually we twist it twice, but I am going to twist once and make it. No issues. Yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull the loop through this, and then behind the loop on the hook. So one twist is made. Pull it up a little bit, yarn over, pull through one first, and pull that same thing behind the loop on the hook. Yeah. Yarn over, pull through 2. So your twisted standing treble is made. Now yarn over twice, skip the next one and make one treble each in the next 3 stitches. Now yarn over twice, and now you're going to work in the skipped stitch over the post of all the 3 trebles. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how it will look. Again yarn over twice, skip the next stitch, make one treble in each of the next 3. Sorry. So now you make the treble over the post of all these 3. Yarn over twice, insert in the stitch, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So 3 times. This is how it is made. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. You've come to the end of this row here. So skip the next stitch and place your last stitch here. Sorry, it's going to be a treble. Row 2, turn your work, place a single crochet. You can chain 1 and place a single crochet for comfort's sake, and single crochet in each of the stitches. So single crochet is the wrong side for the pattern. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I have completed the single crochet row. Row 3 is same as row 1. Place a treble, standing treble crochet as the very first one. Skip 1, treble crochet in next 3. treble crochet over the post of all these 3 trebles in the skipped stitch. So skip 1, 3 treble crochets and cross over treble crochet in the skipped stitch. Continue till this the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I have come to the end of this row here. Next row I am going to place a DC row instead of the SC row and get ready for the next pattern. I shall make the DCs and post the completed picture at the end of this video for reference, and this is how it will look when you work an individual project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye for now. I shall be back with next project or next pattern in the next video.